And you can take picture, video, but let him eat too.
Yeah.
He's so cute. You are so lucky that you have a dog.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Sid here, and welcome to a new cool episode of The Dog Day. Yay! This is my dog right here. Actually, he's slash poodle slash Actually, the breed is slash poodle slash Pomeranian. Actually, this is a boy. This is a male. It's not a female. He's not a female. He's a male. So it's pronounced by he because it's a male. So his name is, which we don't know. Actually, I found out a name for him, and his name is Rio. Would you like that name, Rio? Would you like that name, Rio? As you can tell that he's eating something. It's a doggy treat. So I'm gonna take care of him and raise him as usual. So, yeah. And also, isn't he super cute? What are you eating? Are you eating your back? You shouldn't eat your back. Oh, I think it's very hard for him to chew on that. Maybe it'll be, how about we can do something easier. Mom! The treat that he gave is too hard for the puppy to chew on. Can we give him an easy treat for him to chew on? I don't think she's responding. But anyway, but thank you so much, guys, to take your time to watch my video. Otherwise, why not subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And also, this is the Cool Man channel. So I'll see you guys next.